Tahiti's allure is undeniable, but so is its reputation for luxury prices. Fear not, savvy traveler, for affordable flights and accommodations await those who plan ahead. Keep an eye out for fare sales and use price comparison search engines to snag the best deals. Flying via Los Angeles or Honolulu could save you a bundle, and booking early is key. For stays, consider hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals to keep costs low without sacrificing the experience. Upon arrival, the adventure begins, and getting around doesn't have to break the bank. Embrace the freedom of the island by renting a scooter, or navigate like a local on the reliable public bus system. If you must, taxis are available, but remember to negotiate the fare up front to avoid surprises. Tahiti's culinary scene is a hidden gem for those on a budget. Street food markets buzz with the promise of delicious, wallet-friendly fare. Seek out small, family-owned eateries for a taste of authenticity that's as kind to your palate as it is to your pocket. And don't forget the local markets, perfect for picking up fresh ingredients to whip up your own island feast. The siren call of French Polynesia's other islands is irresistible. To keep costs down, vacation rentals can be a cozy and economical choice. Ferries offer a scenic route between islands, often at a lower cost than flights. Booking travel early is advisable, especially during peak seasons. And for a truly budget-conscious adventure, consider the charm of the smaller, less touristy islands. Tahiti may be synonymous with luxury, but it doesn't have to be with extravagance. Pack lunches for day trips, choose independent activities over guided tours, and book excursions in advance. Travel insurance can be a wise investment, protecting you from unforeseen expenses. And remember, whether you're staying in a vacation rental or a hostel, the opportunity to meet fellow travelers and share tips is priceless. In conclusion, Tahiti's tropical paradise can be enjoyed without a platinum budget. With a little planning and these insider tips, you'll be sipping coconut water on a white sandy beach, your finances as calm as the serene blue lagoon before you. Bon voyage! Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.
Bye.